You know in the movie Dumb and Dumber, when Lloyd says to Harry, Harry, do you know what the most annoying sound in the world is? And then he does that screechy sound. I think this is the second most annoying sound. Right? And I'm stuck in it because we're having a massive storm here. Look at that. It's just flooded the road. All this water that's on the road here, you can see it running down. This all's fallen in about the last 5 minutes. And I gotta listen to this crap. Alright guys, drive safe. Have a good one.